Sabi ko sa'yo, eh. Sabi ko sa'yo, Pangkin, bakit pa lang tayo sa Bitcoin, eh. Currently, Bitcoin is at all-time high now or kakalagpas niya lang sa all-time high recently. We kinda expected this naman na with our previous technical analysis dun sa huli kong video. Now, eto na. Ano na nga ba ang gagawin natin? Because ayoko kayong magsipasukan na lang. I mean, ngayon maraming tao ang magpapasukan sa Bitcoin, sa crypto. And magandang maunawaan natin or ma-analyze natin if is it the right time to enter the market or to go long, check natin. Basic support and resistance, nasa all-time high tayo ngayon, nasa resistance pa rin tayo ng all-time high. Kailangan muna natin to close above this one, okay, na may body, hindi lang yung week lang. Pag natapos yung linggo na ito, nalusaw yan, that's an indicator of being bearish. Kung ako mag-aantay ako ng another candle on a weekly time frame, or hanggang tas tayo dito sa trend line na to. Mag-break out and retest. Then by that time, tingnan natin yung volume if it's supported by volume. Nasa resistance tayo, more likely that's bearish. Hindi ko na-advise na mag-short ka ngayon because hype na hype yung market. Kahit sabihin natin na yung RSI natin is nasa oversold na or overbought na, pwede pa yan mag-extend especially because of the hype ngayon. Kung bumaba naman, mag-aantay ako sa psychological support natin which is yung 100,000. Based on our volume profile, 95 is also a strong support. So I can also consider waiting there. Then check natin yung volume by the way. Compared last month, mas mababa yung volume ngayon which is bearish. Pa-decline na yung volume natin. Yan. So overall, ang gawin natin ngayon is waiting game. This is on the higher time frame, so kung nagti-trade ka ng lower time frame, then that can be a different story. There's something that you really need to know, Paket. So as we know, Bitcoin, it moves fast, eh. Mabilis gumalaw yung presyo niyan. Jadi masaya tayo ngayon, mamayang gabi, bagsak na naman. In a very volatile market like this, malaking bagay yung slippage pagdating sa atin because pwedeng kainin lang ng slippage yung mga profits natin. Sa iba kasing platform, di ba, minsan pag nagpasok ka ng entry mo, halimbawa gusto mo mag-entry at 100,000, kapag nasundo na yung entry mo, yung actual entry price mo, mas mataas na. Dahil na mataas yung leverage mo, yung slippage na yun, pwedeng negative 5 to 10% ka na agad. With Xness, that's not a problem. Good thing with Xness, it has zero slippage. Makaka-entry ka mismo dun sa sinet mo na price. So you have more control on your trades, mas accurate yung pasok mo. Something that's very important when trading, especially crypto. Kaya kung wala pang Xness Banken, yung sign up link, nasa bio.